So guys, I'll teach you today how to play Mashup for uh, Darna and Last Christmas. Since magki-Christmas na, no? So, four chords lang to guys. G, B minor, G, Apple minor. Major pala, Apple major, sorry. So, ganito yun. Like, first stanza, pwede nyo gawing Last Christmas, last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, gave it away. So, D, B minor, G, A major, and then pwede nyo i-mix up guys. So, yung next is, Tila, ibon, lumipad, sumabay sa hangin, ako'y napatingin, dalagang, nababalot, hiwaga. Tapos balik kayo sa Last Christmas. I wrap it up and send it, with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I do, but if you kiss me now, I know you fully love you. So, ayan lang guys, no? So, again, yung chords niya is D, and D, and then B minor, and then G, and then tapos yun lang guys, ulit yun ang gagawin. Tapos sa inyo na kung saan part yung mix up, yung verse, chorus. Yeah. Pwede rin i-pluck nyo, plucking. Yun. So, yan na muna for now guys. First video ng channel namin. So, next time, hopefully more yung mga ibang kanta naman na hilig nyo. This is a simple guitar tutorial channel guys. So, please subscribe. Click on the bell button below. And yes, see you next time. Thank you for taking time on my video. I hope enjoy nyo yung mashup natin. And you can play around with it or improve it. Kaya na po bahala. Okay po. Salamat. Kita-kits.